on, everybody? Welcome back to Carson's IH Garage. Today we're going to be replacing the muffler on the Scout here. The one that's in there now is kind of rotted out. I already cut it out. It's down there on the floor there. There it is. And I'm just going to replace it with a Thrush welded muffler that I got on sale for $35 from Advanced Auto Parts. So hopefully it'll give it a better sound. And it'll maybe increase fuel economy, something, I don't know. I just didn't want that old piece of junk. I just wanted a brand name like muffler that would make it sound good. So let's get started. Okay, so here are the parts that I picked up. I had to pick up two 2¼ inch clamps and then two 2½ inch clamps, both from Napa. Here are the part numbers in case you're curious. All of these clamps came with nuts. However, this package has already been opened and somebody had like stolen the nuts out of it, but I had some ones already. And then I had to pick up these two adapters, and they are 2 inch inside diameter, so this is inside diameter is 2 inches, and 2¼ outside diameter, so the outside diameter of this end is 2¼ so that will fit nice and snug right in there. And then my tailpipe will fit into this, and I have the clamps for that. And now I got two to do each side. So without further ado, let's get to the rear of the vehicle and install it. So the Thrush is installed. It's kind of a mangled mess with all the clamps that it's got going on, but it's super solid. Tailpipe is really solid. Got my clamp, had to move and drill another hole from where it used to be up there. Got that clamped in. All the clamps are snug down. It's installed correctly with the inlet and the outlet, so I think we're ready to fire it up and hear it. Alright, so we're ready to start it here. I got the fan going and the door open just to get rid of the fumes because I am inside a garage. And my house is right above me, so that wouldn't be too good. I'm just going to pull the choke out. It's pretty warm in here, so maybe half, 3/4, just about. Prime it. Gonna give it a 2, 3 there. Make sure it's at idle. And we'll give it a crank. It's gonna idle high because the choke is on, but I'll shut that off. Just double check I'm in neutral here. We're good, all right. Gonna kind of check for any exhaust leaks, so I'm gonna grab a spray bottle and we're gonna spray down those clamp joints and double check. Alright, so it sounds pretty good. I don't know if you can tell in the video, but it's got a nice thump to it, like a nice idle kind of groan. It is pretty nice. It doesn't have any leaks. I did check off camera. It was too hard to hold the camera and spray and everything, but I don't have any leaks. I made sure the exhaust is actually dumping out the end, so I don't get any drone in the body, as well as any poisonous leaks into the cab. And I did sit in there, and it doesn't have any drone inside, like where it's going to kill you or kill your ears if you're riding it at RPM. And I did sit in there. It was pretty nice with the windows up and everything. And it is kind of loud because there is no weather stripping, and there is no like any of that sound deadening stuff. No carpet, it's just bare metal floors, and there's holes in the floor somewhere people have drilled into it, previous owners. But I think it turned out pretty good. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, comment them or email me. Make sure to drop a like and please subscribe. Thanks.